Ala! Ano sa ilalim ng mga ano?
Mga bangka.
Oo.
Jaryo!
Oo nga, no, Jaryo.
Ay, isa. Ang creative naman niya dyan.
Hannah Taylor-Joy.
It's good news, isn't it?
Nakakita siya talaga. Nakakita siya talaga ng mumu.
I don't like this. Pang London na London to.
Oo.
Nakalakdo siya sasakay.
No, I will. And if
Pang firm na ano. Ang tagal nun.
in the city.
First time,
I visited once with my mum, but I was
In
small.
my mum.
It looks so different now.
it changes fast, all right. Don't you worry, love. Still the same old London underneath.
Good.
What brings you down then?
I'm studying London College of Fashion.
So you're a model.
No, I design clothes. Look, I want to. I mean, I want to be a designer.
Yeah, but you could be a model, couldn't you? You got the legs for it.
Shit.
Ay, yung pinawarning sa kanya.
So what's in Charlotte Street then?
Student housing.
It's all girls in that building. If all you supermodels are going to be in Charlotte Street, you'll see plenty of me, don't you worry. You might have found your first stalker.
I'll get over here.
Oh no, it's a couple more streets, love.
Look, I haven't got enough cash.
Oh, I'm sure we can sort something out, sweetheart. Plus, it's not good round here at night for young girls on their own.
I want to go to the shop anyway.
Please yourself.
Bastos eh, no?
Sindan kaya siya?
Nihintay siya,
Buti ng
shit.
inang yan.
Excuse me. Can I help you?
Sorry.
Did you want a hand?
Fine.
Don't look fine.
I am.
Mukha ni Pascal Siakam. Eh.
Na ano na eh, na-trauma na siya.
Yung nga eh.
Are you Eloise?
Yeah.
Shit. I'm just like, she's such a code beige. I'm getting these like born again Christian vibes of her.
Country mouse.
She comes to her first day at LCF wearing clothes she fucking made. Yeah, that was
Oh, shit.
like, who the fuck does that for attention? Right? Weird. She's a little fucking weird.
It's not all too much, is it? No, I'm okay. I can't wait to come down and see you when you feel more at home. Yeah. When I feel more at home.
Lilipat siya.
0827. Hi, I saw your advert for a room to rent.
Creepy na may
Kaya nga
ilaw-ilaw
eh.
sa labas.
Yung signboard ng bistro.
May talagang tugtog.
Katakot naman.
You're my world, your every breath I take.
Naku, makaluma talaga yung mga tugtugan niya. Eh.
You're my world. Eyes as the trees reach for the sun above.
Galing ng translation.
Ang ganda ang putik.
So my arms reach out to you.
May I take your cloak, madame?
My clothes.
Ooh.
Ayan na.
Resting in mine. I feel a power so divine.
And are we meeting a gentleman this evening?
We are not.
Oh, so Madame is alone.
I am.
Very good.
Ang galing ang putik.
Lakas mo ka Moonlight ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Galing eh, no? Siya yung tabi ng reflection mo na eh.
Hello, you're a gorgeous creature. What's your name?
Sandy,
Care to join my friends tonight, Sandy?
thanks. But I'm here to meet the owner.
I am the owner.
Oh, I doubt that.
I'm whatever you want me to be, Sandy.
Parang cartoon si mukha ng lalaki eh, no?
Kaya nga eh.
Ang galing
Creepy.
talaga nung ano na yun eh. Nung shot.
So what do you do, Sandy?
Well, I sing, of course.
How'd you dance?
Care for a demonstration?
Ang lakas sa loob ng babae
Kaya nga
eh.
eh. Wow.
Mga sayawan talaga dati eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Parang crab nun.
Ay, ang galing nun ah.
Ay, transition.
Ang galing eh, no?
Ayun na naman yung visit na ano matanda.
Kaya nga eh.
You looked up for it just then.
I'm just waiting for my friend Jack to get my drink.
Well, I'm sure Jack won't mind.
I mind.
Now, don't pretend you don't love the attention.
Is this man Bob ready?
I was just asking our friend Sandy for a dance.
Her car is full right now.
That's all right, old chap. Don't hog her all night.
You're the only hog round here, old chap.
Don't be a cunt about it. You can keep your little whore.
What did you call the lady?
She's a slut, mate. Look at her.
Wow.
Singapak. Ay, wow.
Ang galing.
Self-portrait, is it? Self-portrait?
No. It's just someone I know.
She looks cool.
Ang drawing niya.
Kaya nga eh.
Like that picture and stuff.
Yeah. There's just something about the 60s that speaks to me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check this out.
Talaga hipal talaga siya.
Kaya nga.
Nakakainis.
Ooh. This is rather retro.
Hala, meron siya talaga.
Kung nagkaroon siya.
So what did you get up to last night in Soho? Out with some guy? Or girl? No judgments here. Live your best life, you know. Just get some anger on that, babes.
Nagkaroon siya.
Meron siya.
Do you have any plans tonight?
Yeah, I kind of do actually.
Tutulog lang siya
Kaya
para
nga
ano.
eh. Para ma-meet niya uli. Ayan na. Start na.
Sorry I'm a little late.
A little doesn't quite cover it.
I've got a feeling you'll forgive me.
Kasi mukha yung standard James Bond villain.
Oo. Sa buhok. Sa ngiti, lahat.
Rialto. Ay, parang ba narito
Yung pala
si,
yun, no?
Sa,
Ang pala ng stars. Sa
sa
EP.
Iki, oh. Always go downtown.
Alam mo yan?
Oh. The noise and the hurry seems to happen right now. Downtown. Just listen to the music of the traffic in the city.
Things will be great.
Yung boses niya, no?
Kaya nga.
Downtown, no finer place for sure. Downtown, everyone's waiting for you.
Ang buo ba?
Oo.
Everyone's waiting for you.
Solong-solo kahit walang ano yun,
Oo
no?
nga eh.
Instrumental.
Just as long as you're in it for the long run.
Only I'll move you till the end.
Gising na naman siya. Ay. Sabi niya, ay, pitin.
Gag.
Ay, pitin naman. Check, tulad na lang siya.
I can't fucking believe it.
Nagpaganyan siya.
Pagaling siya ng buhok.
If I didn't know it was you, I'd walk right by you on the street.
Bagay naman sa kanya eh, no?
You look so
Oh,
grown up.
bagay naman.
Did you like it?
Ay, hindi matanda ah.
What can I get you, love?
I was hoping a job.
Take a seat. You want a drink?
Yeah. Could I get a Vespa?
Ginaya niya talaga.
Have you ever even worked in a pub before?
No.
Naku, alam niyo yung best
Kaya
friend.
nga, familiar sa kanya yung buhok, yung damit. Shemay! Yung downtown. Ayun na.
Ayun na.
Rialto Review.
Puro lalaki ang nanonood din.
Ayun na eh.
Give a warm welcome to the exotic, the alluring Marionetta.
May iba na pangalan niya. Ayun na yan. Hindi siya yan eh.
Hindi siya. Ah, dancer siya!
Ah,
Hindi siya yung ano, lead singer. Hindi siya yung naging ano.
kaya nga eh. Ayun yung parang mga ano, may-ari ba?
Oo.
Yun yung di matanda sa ano
Oo, yung
ah.
sinuntok niya, di ba?
Oo nga eh.
O, yun ang ganun. Kasi kailangan maging singer gusto niya, hindi
Ayun
naman
nga eh.
dancer.
Just us.
I'm with Jack.
Oh, Jack doesn't mind, do you, Jack?
Not one bit.
Wow!
Oh.
Andy. Sorry, sir. Andy, get back here.
That's not what I thought.
Ah, nilokos na lahat.
Oh, yun oh! What the
What the hell?
Wala! Wala na ano yung isa.
Dinadroga siguro yun.
Shit! It was dark.
Ayun na siya.
Oh! Inaano din siya.
May pera dun.
Oo.
This is just a taste of things to come, Sandy. Sandy.
Ah, may tao dun.
Shucks!
Ah, yung matanda nga.
Who
What the hell? Shucks. Hindi siya nag-iisa. Oh my God.
You know you're not asleep.
Hindi siya magising-gising.
Ellie, I love you, girl. You fit right in, but you can't sleep here.
Ayun
Uwi ka na.
nga eh.
Baka kasi mag-continue na naman eh. Mag-play.
Fuck! Ano nangyari?
Shucks, yun na naman.
Thank you,
What's your name?
Alexandra.
That's a lovely name.
Thanks.
Buong-buo yung boses niya eh. No?
Kaya nga eh.
Wala, nakakailang ano na siya.
Lexi.
That's a lovely name.
Thanks.
Ulit-ulit.
Kaya nga eh.
What's your name?
Andy.
It's a lovely name.
Lexi. Thank you.
Nakakainis na paulit-ulit. Buset.
You're too good for this, Sandy. Pretty little thing like you laying in the car. Now get out while you can, girl. You're better than this.
I don't think I am.
Of course you are. Just look in the mirror.
What if I don't want to?
And maybe it's too late for you.
Oo, alis na siya. What the hell?
Nasaan na siya?
Shit, sino yan? Fuck, ano yan? Sino yan?
Parang disfigured yung mukha niya,
Kaya
no?
nga eh. Oh.
I-search na kaya yung taong yun.
Oo.
Kasi hindi siya
Nagpakilala
gaano sikat
ba?
eh.
Ah, shit!
Oh my God! Creepy naman nun.
Yung lahat na nakasama nung ano eh, no?
Puro pang mannequin.
Got any plans tonight, Ellie?
Yeah, I'd love to come out.
Haven't even said where it is yet.
Gusto yun na agad lumabas dati, hindi
Kaya nga
eh,
eh.
no?
But yeah.
Shucks!
Shit, nakikita niya naman yun. Nakikita niya siya.
May drugs ata yung ininom
Yun nga eh.
Nababalo na itong batang ito, kawawa na. Hala!
I just wish I was like everybody else.
I'm glad you're not.
No. Come on.
Do you want to go somewhere else?
I'm not meant to have guys back,
Okay.
so you have to be quiet.
Okay. You don't just want to go to sleep?
No, I really don't want to go to sleep.
Well, I can keep you well. Oh, what am I saying?
Kasi baka matrauma siya dyan eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Ayan o, nakikita niya tuloy.
Get off me!
Are you okay?
Get off!
Shit.
Get off her!
What's wrong?
Shucks. Sinaksak siya.
Dalawang tragedy nakikita niya.
And every step I take recalls how much in love we used to be. Oh, how can I forget you when
Shucks naman.
Ellie, are you okay?
Puno na nakikita
Oh
niya
my
eh.
God.
shadows go, I pace the smoke and
Oh, what the hell? Come on, man.
Naisip niyo yung mga nakabantay. Oh my
Oh,
God.
ano yung ganyan tuloy. Oh my God!
Shucks.
Ang creepy naman yan. Yung ulam niya, limang newspaper yun.
Oh.
Jesus, John! Why whisper like that?
It's the library. Have your stuff.
15
Close
minutes.
na. Oh my God.
Tangina talaga yan, no? Ang creepy lang.
That was quick.
Uy, baka may masaksak pa to. Dadalang kunting.
Kaya nga eh.
Uy!
fool.
I'm recording this. You won't get away with it.
So what? I do what I like in this manner.
The police know. I told them.
Like I give a flying fuck.
But wait.
When you see Alex, in whatever little hell she's currently in, you tell her I said hello.
Oh my
Ay.
God!
What happened?
He just stopped in the middle of the street.
Oh, Lindsay, you poor bastard. Call an ambulance, Pet. Now! And tell him he used to be police. That'll make them hurry.
Oh my God!
Yeah, he's ex-vice. Used to be a copper and
Oh my God, siya yung kausap ni ano.
Ni...
Now look at
Di ba
him.
may nagtanong sa kanya?
Ah!
Oh, shit!
Hindi yun si Jack.
Jack. No, love. That's Lindsay.
Oh my God!
Yung sabi na give up, ganun
Oh,
ganon.
oh my God!
Do you know?
Ah, siya yun.
Shucks!
Get out where you can go. Get out where you can go. Get out where you can go.
If I'm not back in 15 minutes, maybe come check on me.
Okay.
Ano yun?
Yung parang may familiar na mannequin.
Alexandra Collins, oh.
Don't judge me on the cigarettes. All that hoo-ha last night got me going again. It's funny because there is some truth in it. I hadn't thought about it until you brought it up, but the girl did die up there, I suppose. The young me who came to this.
Siya!
Sandy.
I had hopes and dreams like you. I wanted to be a singer. I wanted to perform, to
Fuck!
act. Being a whore is a bit like being an actress, I suppose. Try and forget all those men. Their faces. I blanked them out. I had to.
Kaya nakablanko yung mukha.
Made like they were nothing. So yes, you could say Sandy died in there.
Kaya pala sinabi nung lalaki na nag-collect ng bones.
She died in their room 100 times. The man who stole my dream. Well, I put a knife in him
Baliktad pala.
100 times. Do you know what, Ellie? Ooh, I can call you helicopter.
Yeah.
It felt right, Ellie. Those bastards who came ringing my bell, creeping up my stairs. They send me to hell. So, I send them to theirs.
So ghost na mga lalaki yung nagmumulto sa kanya.
Oh my God!
Kaya pala nakita yung missing person, mga lalaki
Shit!
lang.
Oo, fuck!
So, they don't know where they are.
Kaya puro Soho Night.
I say they didn't know who they were. I was doing everyone a favor. I wasn't going to be used anymore. I wasn't going to let this city break me.
I'm so sorry.
Why? It's not your fault.
No, I mean, I understand. I know what you've been through.
How do you know?
I didn't mean to get you in trouble with the police.
Oh, it's all right. They think you're mad. And it's not like you're going to tell anyone else.
No, of course not. I would never.
No. I mean, I know you're not going to tell anyone else.
Oh my God, baka may nilagay siya sa niya.
worry. I'm not going to stab you like the others. I wouldn't do that for you,
Shocked.
no. You're going to go to sleep. No more excitement for you tonight.
Siya nga, fucking hell.
Just you, is it? Little liar. Just coming, Jerry.
Oh, putik ko yun. Knockdown siya.
Susunog na yung records niya.
I'm here to see Ellie.
She's upstairs. Come on in.
Ah!
You keep it down. Enough to wake the bloody dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Miss Sandy Collins.
Ang susunog na.
So, sa kwarto niya itinatago yung bangkay.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya pala siya minumulto. Ala! Ano sa ilalim ng mga ano?
Mga bangkay.
Oo.
Sila yung hihingi ng tulong.
Ah. Siguro ginalan yung mga mukha nila,
Oo.
no?
Wag mong gagawin yun.
Sumbong mo lang.
I didn't want any of this.
I know. I saw.
They deserved it.
I know.
I'm not going to prison.
Papakamatay siya.
I've been in a prison all my life.
Please. You don't have to do this, Andy. You can live. Please live.
You have to let go.
Leave. No. You can't save me. Save yourself. Save the boy. Go.
Wala yung picture ng mama niya.
And now, with a collection that turns back the clock to those swinging 60s, this is first-year student Eloise Turner.
Ano ng mga design niya?
Buti naman naging okay siya ulit.
Yun nga eh. Tsaka di na siya blonde na.
Oo.
You really are so brave. So brave.
There she is. My big-time fashion designer.
That was amazing, Elle.
Oh,
Wow!
Okay na silang dalawa. Ganda ito.
Hindi ko na-expect yung cactus na yan ah.
Super! Ang ganda.
Shit.
Nung pinanood pa lang natin yung trailer, sabi natin, ano to? Parang ano-ano. Horror ba yan? Tapos tingnan natin, so, shit, horror nga. Parang nagmumulti yung babae. May ng justice. Tapos putik na yan.
Baliktad pala.
Oh, ganda.
Yung mga lalaki pala yung
Kaya nga
nangahingi ng tulong.
Yung twist pa lang na ano eh, yung hinahabol nila Jack na matanda. Hindi pala si Jack yun, yung pala yung
nga
copper. Shucks. Ganda.
Well directed to. Ang galing ito.
Ang ganda nito, swear.
Shit, hindi ko na-expect yun ah.
Kailan lumabas yung movie na to?
Last year.
My God, last year, pero parang hindi yung ingay.
Naingay naman siya, pero di ko na pinansin kasi.
Oo, ala.
Kaya naalala ko yung title ng movie.
Ala, ang ganda niya, promise. Ganda. Hindi nga
Jesus
nakaka-board
Christ.
din, no? Fuck!
Hindi nga eh. Parang crime ano ba?
Oo.
Jesus Christ.
Tsaka yung
Baliktad pala.
Oo.
Kaya pala yung mga lalaki din nakikita niya na minumulto rin siya.
Oo. Kumbaga, akala ko nasa isip ko noon, kaya nagpapakita yung mga lalaki. Kasi tinutulungan mo to. Siya ka mga patay na yung mga yun.
Oo, baka patay na nga yun.
Oo, matatanda na siguro yun. Mga namatay. Pero hindi. Kaya majority na nagpapakita sa kanya matatanda. Tsaka yung isang lalaki. Yung manager. Shit, patay na pala siya.
So parang vision lang nila si
Oo.
Sandy.
Oh my God.
Kaya buhay pala si Sandy ang putik. Ang galing nung kinagkwento niya, no? Parang
Kaya
slowly
nga.
pinipigaw lang bo. Tapos parang
Alam
hindi
ko,
siya parang
may ano.
quick,
Oo, hindi yan.
na
And
yun
the one
yung
you're
plus
looking
word,
for. Parang
oo.
hindi, ako yung hinahanap mo, ganyan.
Ano yung ini-explain niya lang na,
Oo.
siya si Sandy. Tapos pag alam na siya sa Sandy, siya yung pala puwapatay ang
Kaya
putik.
pala yung letter eh, no?
Oo, nakita ko, Alexander Collins. Pakita sa
Oo.
kanya yung Alexander Collins.
Baka naisip ko nga doon sa letter na yun, baka nahalo lang
Luma,
kasi sa
oo.
taas eh. So, yung baka may
Yung
pinagpapadala
address,
pa rin sa
yung
taas.
pinapangalanan. No?
Sa, parang yung isip ko, ayan yung magiging clue mo, yung pangalan,
Oo.
para mahanap mo yung ano. Kaya pala hindi niya mahanap, shit. Buhay pala si Lola pala yun, putik.
Ate, no? Ang galing lang.
Ako nga niisip ko, baka mamaya yung aunt pa ni, John yung makatulong. Baka mamaya isa sa mga
Espiritu.
or espiritista, mga gano'n. Or pwede rin sa isa sa mga nakasalamuhan ni Sandy, na gano'n
Oo.
din pala. Na pwedeng, si John.
Makakilala
si Jack,
pa,
ganda,
oo.
Pero hindi, iba. Oh, shit, ganda. Hindi natin na yun ah.
Si Atay, ay.
Hindi natin nagawa ng theory man lang na, ay, ganito yung mangyayari. Hindi, shit.
Shock ako din eh. Siya pala sumaksak.
Oo. Kasi yung, ang linaw ang clear nung vision na nakikita niya, na sinaksak siya eh, di ba?
Baliktad pala. Si Atay eh. Kaya pala mga walang mukha siguro,
Oo.
tinanggal niya talaga para di niya maalala ba? Para yun yung last memory niya sa mga pagmumukha
Oo.
nila. Tinanggal yung bibig, tinanggal yung mata.
Grabe.
Dinikit sa wall ang putik.
Kaya nga sa wall, sa floor, di ba meron pang part na nakalibing patay na tas inaano na lang ng plywood? Shit, ang ganda. Sana okay naman yung yung copper.
Yun nga, yan
Buhay
sa
naman.
pa siya eh. Di
Sana
pala
buhay
siya si
naman.
Jack.
Oo, shit. Sisi siya dun eh, no?
Sydney pala yun.
Lidney.
Ay, nako.
Lindsay pala, Lindsay.
Oh, Lindsay pala, Lindsay.
Grabe.
Jesus Christ, ng kanya nakakasulat.
Ganda, hindi nakaka-board to. Ganda ng kwento. Kasi usually sa mga crime, medyo may parang part na boring
Oo nga
or what.
eh.
Pero ito crime, mystery, tsaka tsaka horror, butik.
Kaya kasi minumulta ng mga lalaki, di atay eh.
Huwag ka mag-open ha. Huwag ka mag-open ha.
Di atay, uy.
Grabe, ganda. Di ko talaga na ano yung mga ano, yung turns, mga ganun.
Yung plot twist
Oo,
na,
kasi
yan.
sa ang hirap wala ano niya. Hirap tulad ng iba na movie na tatama pa yung mga theory natin eh. Pero
Oo.
hindi eh.
Kasi yung trailer kasi, pinalabas patay na si
Oo,
Yana
di ba?
eh. Patay si Sandy eh. Kaya sa isip natin, multo si
Oo.
Sandy eh.
Na pinakita na parang humihingi lang siya ng tulong. Pero hindi eh. Oh my God. At least natanggap din ng matanda, di ba?
Oo.
Tsaka naiintindihan naman niya yung pinagdaanan ni Sandy.
Kaya pala
Diba?
nagka-idea siya kasi pumuntang pulis.
Oo.
Nilasunan yung team niya.
Kaya ayaw niya rin, di ba, ng ano, ng malaman pa yung ano. Tsaka wala naman maniniwala sa'yo. Maduhuman ka eh. May ano ka sa ano eh.
Oo.
Ay, ganda ito
Ang
palabas
galing
ito.
eh. Hindi ko in-expect yun. Tumanda na rin pala siya. Akala ko nakasurvive siya sa pagsaksak.
Oo, akala ko din nakasurvive. Tapos may tumulong sa kanya.
Oo.
Kaya pala wala yung ano, yung sinasabi ni Lindsay na ano,
Na.
someone dig out her bones ba yun?
Oo.
Parang wala na yung bones niya.
Oo, hindi nila malaman-laman.
Oo. Kumbaga parang pinatay na rin totally
Oo.
yung Sandy na yun.
Parang wala na daw.
Oo. Oh my God.
Kaya pala Alexander Collins na lang sa letter.
Grabe. Yung pa pala siya, no?
Galing ng twist na yun. Hindi ko in-expect yun eh. Galing ng ending.
Ganda. Ang ganda ng sunod-sunod na ano revelation ng
Nga eh.
putik. Kaya pala wala siya makita doon sa may library na namatay, nawala yung teacher ng Soko Night, namatay yung ganito, ganyan. Missing, ganito.
Sabi niya na, may namatay nga sa kwarto na yun. Namatay
Oo.
nga si Sandy. Pero namatay yung dating siya daw.
Oo. Oh my God. Tsaka hindi niya
Araw-araw
nireveal
daw
na siya.
namamatay.
Di ba?
Oo.
Every night, they died.
Galing, well written yun eh. Diyos
Ang
ko.
galing yung putik. Ganda yun siya ba director, yung producer.
Edgar Wright eh. Magaling na ano yun eh.
Ganda, hindi ko talaga in-expect to.
Christ. Ang galing nun,
Oh my God. Ganda itong palabas na to. Pwede mo talagang i-recommend kahit kanino. Shit.
Watch the full movie.
Oo, oh my God. Ang
Hope
ganda,
enjoy it.
promise. Ngayon lang uli nakapanood ng gantong type ng movie na
parang
may-
same sa Malignant,
Oo.
yung ganun.
yung mga turntables,
Oo.
so ganyang,
Yung major plot twist talaga
yung mga
ba?
mahilig maggawa ng theory, shit,
May enjoy ko.
Oo, maluloko ang mga neurons, electrons, protons niya sa utak.
God damn.
Ganda,
Galing.
shucks. Very good. Whew. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yes. Ganda nito, promise. Walang
Search
boring
pa ako
na
ng mga
part.
review, theory, tsaka mga ano.
Oh my
and then
God.
explain nyo to sa
And-
YouTube.
Kung ano yung This is for Diana.
Oo nga no?
Bakit?
Yung on start
May
yung
Diana.
movie, o for Diana. Ba't kaya?
Kaya, baka...
Based in real life kaya to.
Oo, baka mamaya somewhat connected.
Search natin sa YouTube.
Or,
Jesus Christ.
guys, watch nyo tong Last Night in Soho.
Oo, ang galing.
Ganda, promise.
Lakit na tayo. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Bye!